What can you expect during your first neuromuscular session? You can expect a lot of relief for sure, yet your therapist is going to pick you up, do a posture assessment to see your muscle imbalances, what muscles are pulling you out of alignment, what muscles are at the root cause of your pain and dysfunction, causing your trigger points. They're going to be able to have a blueprint, a plan, and a treatment plan to give you the most relief. They're going to step out of the room, they're going to then step back in, and they're going to treat your muscles very specific, targeted, and detailed. More than any type of massage, the revolutionary method of neuromuscular massage is the most specific, targeted, and detailed. So you can expect that they're going to be laser focused on where your chief complaint is, but also other areas that may be contributing to it to help rebalance your posture and also to help get rid of those pain-causing trigger points at the root of your aches and pains. At the end, they're going to also give you some recommended plans of actions, delegate a treatment plan. So that's what you can expect in your first session.